Welcome back, ladies and gents. And we're going to be finishing this game one way or another.
One way or another. I'm gonna find you. I'm gonna get you.
Maybe
One way. I see Grunty. I think that's her name.
Yep. Grunty or Gruntilda.
Gruntilda.
I'm so tempted to just spoil on what her last name is.
So
It's hilarious.
I know, but save it.
It's not until the end of Banjo-Kazooie.
Save it.
Oh wait. One other.
Save it. Okay. Save it, or I will ban you from this server.
How do you ban the owner?
I don't think
I
you
will
can.
figure that part out.
Okay, wait a minute. Do I have every single one of the... Yep, I have them all. Stop. There we go. Where's that golden feather? Ah! I want all 20 golden feathers. Thank you. There we go, because I'm gonna need it. Just for the damn board game.
So then who's Kazooie?
Me.
I'm sorry. Yep. So
then
Charles is Banjo. You're Grunty. Birdie is Kazooie. Who's gonna be Clunko? No, wait, I don't think Clunko gets any lines. Kuro can be Tootie.
Okay.
I guess I'm doubling as Mumbo and Bottles.
Yes.
I know I'm calling Mumbo.
But I've noticed Banjo hasn't had many lines.
Yeah. So, Charles, do you want to be Bottles?
Sure, I'll be Bottle.
Okay.
I'll be Bottle Boy.
Whoops.
Welcome, oh, Grunty's the name. Banjo's here to play my... Later he starts, here he stands. Through all my tricks and traps and lands. This final test will see me win. When Banjo fails, then I'll be thin. Then the prize is the stand brings joy from Tootie to ugly toy. My little quiz will start make you sweat. And Tootie, you shall never get. Because somewhere soon along the way, your lack of skill will make my day. As in the fiery pit you'll go, and I will win the prize at the show. So step on over to the square. Press A to try it if you dare.
Just
that
gonna do
actually
this.
hurt.
Yeah, if we're doing like the... Oh, I nearly... Oh my god, I can. I can
Yeah.
fall in there while I'm not on the board. About this game... Clanker's the whale sucking down in the goo. In Clanker's cavern, what does he do? He's the garbage grinder.
Yep. Garbage.
A lucky guess, you got it right. The next square is yours without a fight. These will challenge Stupid Bear to tell me who it is or where.
See the picture on my screen. Do you know where you've been?
But that's Grunty.
It's the questions. There's a lot of them. I know where I am.
Okay.
Bubble Gloop Swamp.
Here, the crowd they booed and hissed to see you fail. They would not miss.
See, in Gobi's Valley, what's the ride? Oh, Magic Carpet.
Thanks, Stephen. Whoop.
Question on the sounds I play. get it wrong to make my
Listen up now, then make your choice. Which character have this dumb voice?
Grunty.
Oh, I think I know. Yeah, the polar bear kids. I love the sound ones because they're so easy.
Just
Wow,
one
wow.
chance to get this right. Win a Joker and help it might.
Listen up now, then make your choice. Oh, which character has this dumb voice? Thank you for an easy one. That's Bottles. That's an easy one. Jam Jar's the mole. Foreshadowing? See the picture on my screen. Do you know where you've been?
Where you been? Yes.
Which one?
Treasure trove.
Okay, yeah, now I recognize where it was.
That's the past.
Yeah, it's when you put where you put in the code.
Mm-hmm. It's just different angle.
Alright. Can you recall the stupid bird's name? Eerie.
Ivy.
Oh, I hate these ones.
Yeah, that's insane.
Prepare to take yourself a whack. Pick this test. Yeah, something. Oh God, no!
Oh no!
Humble Magic Help Bear win against Nasty Witch Game. No, why this one?
I hate
Answer
this one.
If you're eating more than him. Red.
They look
Yeah.
like Tommy's slugs.
I hate this game.
Red.
Red rum.
Red rum. Red rum.
Fuck!
Yellow.
Why does it have to
Red.
be the hard one?
Yellow. AI cheats. Red boys. Yellow boys.
Nope.
Ready boy. Well. I'm not gonna jinx it, so I'm gonna keep my
Yeah.
mouth shut. You got it!
Yay!
Oh yeah! I think it's time, so let me see. How much you know of little old me. Okay, so we need those answers that I wrote down.
Maybe.
Maybe.
No.
Don't be smart. You've got not one yet. When I was small, what was my pet?
A mad
shit.
vulture.
That's a secret. How did you know? Did my sister tell you so?
And
Get
fuck
this
you.
wrong, for Christ's
We're
sake. Then a love bad you will take. Your Joker misses out on a square. Accept the test. You did not dare. Well, pleasing up now and then make your choice. Which character has this cool voice?
fun fact, this is the only voice where she has this cool voice. Yeah, of course it's her own voice. She's gonna compliment herself.
Of course.
It appears some tiles you match. Who's not included in this batch?
Gruntilda.
See that picture on my screen? Do you know where you have been?
Oh fuck.
I think I know.
Maybe.
Oh,
Yeah.
like yes.
Yeah. I think that was in.
Yeah.
Somewhere ball.
From my bed, what have I got? Eyeball flower. Also, reference to the sequel.
Wah, wah.
Tonka's cavern
Your
smells.
cavern smells really stale. How many ways to get in the
Shit.
whale?
1, 2,
Ah.
3, 4, 5. 5.
Less than more than 4. Thank you, Charles.
Because you got the gills, the blowhole, and
Yeah. And the teeth.
the 2 teeth.
Yeah.
Is enough now, then make your choice. Which character has this voice?
Oh, it's the gorilla.
Funky the monkey.
Wrong game.
Ah, yes, the other rare game.
I know which move. Wonder Wing. Ah, fuck.
Oh, yay. Ah, fuck.
The tiles will wait for you to match. Time is tight, but that's the cat.
Fuck. Wasn't prepared for this one.
Ooh.
God damn, look at that. Gumbo.
Yeah, I knew about that one. Fuck.
This is stressful.
Thing is, I was even prepared for this one. I just forgot to keep the thing open. Fuck. I'm gonna. Oh.
Bottom of Jinjo.
Ah!
Bottom of Jinjo.
I'm gonna lose.
No, you're not. You can do it.
No. You know what? Give me back my health. You know what? Just take it. Yeah, because I know I'm not gonna finish it. Oh wait,
You're welcome.
got it. Wait,
Right there.
Wait, Feather, down,
This
down,
one?
Right there. Right there.
Oh,
No. Oh no. Yeah,
Feather,
there.
Feather,
And then the music note from
music
there.
note, and then bottom
right
corner.
down there,
Bottom left,
yeah.
left, 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 left,
No,
left,
no, no.
left.
That one.
yeah, figured. And Messenger did not load fast enough. Go ahead, cheat sheet for that one.
I swear in your face, pain. You'll feel pain. Please press A to try. Energy that you have found. What's that mean? Make it to the route.
Oh,
Oh, it changed.
the name of your game you must spell. Backwards though. Be quick as well.
Oh god.
E
E.
I. Fuck. There it is.
Oh.
Oh. Fuck. Mess.
Oh, I missed. O.
Z.
Z.
A. K.
I love how it's also spelled up there.
Yeah. J. Where's J? There it is. N. A. And where's B?
Right
There's
there.
B. Oh yeah. I didn't make this one in my test playthrough.
6 whole seconds to spare. Good job.
What is the leaking bucket's name? Oh, that's easy. Leaky.
Where have you been?
See the picture on my screen? Do you know where you've been? Oh, I know this one.
Buzz, buzz.
Buzz Buzz.
A bee, I am not.
Oh, but it's only the world you have to get.
Thankfully.
A couple of Grunty questions. Grunty,
She's quite a dame. What was my first boyfriend's name?
Reese Grant. Is that what we should call Runar now?
Oh
No,
no.
because he's not greasy. Look at my hair. See it though. What was it washed with? Do you know?
believe it was engine oil.
Engine
Engine
oil.
oil.
Yeah, engine oil.
Music. You should remember, but we'll see. If this isn't heard, where would you be? I think I know.
I think so.
Dun, 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 dun. Oh yeah, it's in the Shaman Skull.
Oh, someone left. Squirrel left.
Okay, you know what? We have three cards, so fuck that one.
Mood.
This ride of luck will have to stop. Big ship's third model. What's up?
There is no
There is
third
no
funnel.
Fuck
that.
Mm.
Last one.
Ba-ba-ba-da-bum.
Fat Ag Monthly thinks I'm hot. What did I do in the cover shot?
Well done.
Polishing your crystal ball. And no.
No one can win, I was assured. But the markers of this board.
Makers.
It's not fair. I want to win. How I long to be real then. Now you can take the prize on the show. While up the winding stairs I go. You won't catch me. I've made sure. All the credits you'll now endure.
What if I wanted? What if I wanted a different
Which-
prize?
Which prize shall we take, Kazooie?
That one's too chipper. I don't want it.
I think we should take Tootie. Kazooie.
That's what I meant.
Enough of adventuring for one day.
Sure. Let's get out of this dump.
Oh, I apologize. I was muted because I was getting water.
And I
Whoop.
forgot.
We don't
Yeah,
have to read
yes.
these. This is the credits. So these are the proper credits. There is another set of credits after the final boss, though. So since we usually hold our thoughts on the game for the credits, even though we haven't finished the game yet, what's everyone's opinions on this game?
It's cute.
I love this
Mhm.
game. I love this game to death. As much
Same
as,
here.
as much of a pain it is with Mr. Vile,
Yeah.
it's a fun game.
Everyone else? Thoughts?
It's a cute
I loved it.
game.
I loved it. It kind of reminded me of Tonic Trouble. So I'm already a fan.
That fairy was my favorite.
And I love this guy. Everything he says is a freaking burp. Cartoony bits and more scribbling. Yeah, Brian.
Jinja.
Screen
This
trainer.
was a very short session, that's for sure.
It's not over yet.
Oh.
I just saw lightning,
nope.
and I was just like, "What
No,
happened?"
yeah. The Banjo-Kazooie games are a little weird. They have the credits before the final battle.
Well, this is the fake credits.
Yeah, well, this is the actual proper
Exactly.
credits. The other credits that you get are... This is all for the talking NPCs that you run into, as well as the actual makers of the game. And then the second set of credits is for, I think, like, enemies, characters that didn't actually talk. And that's for after... And that's for if you get 100%. Mostly just get all the jiggies. But yeah, this has been a tradition that the actual credits are before fighting Grunty. I think we passed.
Spoilers.
Is it spoiler? That's what's happening in this game.
I mean, I haven't really watched it that much. I only watched you play like 2 times.
Yeah, pretty much. And plus, this game is 23 years old.
Wow.
Oh,
Yeah, came out in '98. Same year as Ocarina of Time and Final Fantasy VII and Metal Gear Solid.
And guess which one aged the worst?
Final Fantasy VII.
Yep.
But the new one is good.
Oh yeah, the remake is great.
Yeah, the remake looks great, but
The
oh
original-
boy,
Oh lord.
the original, oh boy, is aged like milk. Of all like the greatest games that came out in 1998, Final Fantasy VII is aged the worst. And people say Ocarina of Time is aged worse. I'm like, no.
no, Ocarina of Time aged really well.
I think this game has aged the best out of the ones that we mentioned.
I mean, because we're not really dealing with many human polygons. So they
Yeah,
can go all out.
yeah, they're all cartoony.
Mm-hmm.
Metal Gear Solid has aged relatively well when it comes to the texture work, but the character models have aged pretty bad. Mostly because there's no lip flaps at all.
Mm-hmm.
If we ever do no, we're not gonna do the original Metal Gear Solid. We're gonna do the remake. But the way characters like in cutscenes which showed that they were talking is that their head would pop. It's really weird to look at. Otherwise, the texture quality of that game is aged pretty well. The gameplay is a little clunky.
As is almost every game.
Yeah, but the voice acting for that game is still aged really well. Which is rare for games from that era.
Mm-hmm.
This game probably would have aged worse if it had proper voice acting. Proper voice acting.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, what other like really notable games came out in '98? I know Battlezone 1998 came out. It won. I think I heard it won some awards, but it didn't sell particularly well. Mega Man Legends came out in the West in '98, but it originally was released in '97 in Japan. '98 was a good year.
Yeah, I was born.
Yeah.
That too. Any good movies from '98?
Have no idea there. Half-Life came
Yeah,
out
not
in
that I can
98.
remember.
Oh yeah, Half-Life came out in '98. So did Quake.
Resident Evil 2.
Yeah, that as well.
That aged like milk.
Yeah. Yeah, to the point where it's not even scary.
Okay. It is
I won't play it.
thunderstorming outside right now.
Warrior Land 2. F-Zero X.
Yeah.
Crash Bandicoot Warped.
Oh yeah, I remember playing that as a kid.
Link's Awakening
Spyro.
EX came out.
Spyro.
I don't think Spyro came out in 98.
No, it did. I'm pretty sure it did. Let me check.
Doing that right now. Oh fuck me then. That list sucks. Yeah, it came out in 98.
Yeah.
September 9th.
Yeah. Yeah. The list of really good games for '98 alone.
Oh, here's the list. It just gave me a bullshit version up on top. Oh, critically acclaimed, that's why. Really? Spyro wasn't critically acclaimed.
It's weird, considering Spyro was fighting Crash Bandicoot as mascot.
Mm-hmm. Gex came out in 98.
The first one?
Mm-hmm.
Fallout
February
2,
24th.
Fallout 2 came out in '98. Oh, Cutscene.
Didn't? Oh, never mind.
Oh, the goldfish! Baron Bird did good. How mumbo.
Yeah, but they needed my amazing moves to do it.
Ready?
Oh, sorry, mine was skipping.
Finish the job.
That was so fun. I was like mid-reading. I'm like, what happened?
I'm not going.
Ouch! Yes, you are. Let's go.
And here we are, right where we were.
We were so close.